Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach class 1 language. The mainly today we are going to discuss about can and cannot. So, dear children, today we are going to discuss can and cannot. So, dear children, can is the one of the most common word in English. It is a modal verb. So it is there now can't, can, could, might, may not, would not, could not. So these are the in English we called modal verbs. Okay, so today can we are talking. So can is the same. It can also modal verb. So it is a commonly we use for the for asking permission. Okay, for showing something ability to express some word and which is not ability to do. So which is impossible to work. Okay, see for example you see. So which is possible to do. Okay, you see today the can is the most commonly used modal verb in English. It can be expressed. See express ability. Express. So express ability, that means so I can do. I can do something. That means that you are able to do that one. That is your guarantee to do that one. So then only we can show I can able to do. So strongly we are expressing I can do. Okay, I can able to what? Okay, so like this. So opportunity. So opportunity. This one also one of the opportunity for us. If something doing that work is that is opportunity for me, I can do. Writing is it is opportunity for me to write. It is a good opportunity for me to learn, write and learn. So I can write. Understand? So here also to request, can also request. Can you please give me chalk piece? Can you please bring me a cup of coffee? So can you please bring me a glass of water? Can. So the request in English and permission. Can I sit here? Can I go? Can I talk with my friends? Can you please help me? So these are can, this is asking for the permission, asking to the request and opportunities and express, which is possible to do. Okay, for example, you see some examples. See, I can ride a bicycle. So I can ride a bicycle, but I cannot drive a car. Okay. So here, I can sing a song. I can sing a song. I have a mouth. I can sing. If I try, I can sing. There is no problem. I can sing. If I try, I can sing. You see, I can't dance. Even if he forced to dance, also I can't dance. I can sing a song. So like this. See, the Xavier can play the guitar. Xavier can play the guitar. So he can play the guitar. But Xavier can't play cricket. See? So he can play the guitar. Nicely he learned, he can play. But he cannot play the cricket. See? That is the problem. See, which is, so he is a possibility for him to dance. So Xavier there is a possible for him. So there is a possibility for him to, he is expressing. So Xavier is expressing. Xavier can play the guitar. Okay. So Xavier can't play the cricket. Like this, huh? Marshall can paint. So Marshall, I can paint. So I can draw. Okay. Yeah, you see, Marshall can paint. So Marshall can paint. So Marshall can draw a picture. Okay, but so dear children, now they have given the fish can't walk. The fish can swim in the water. Okay, but it can't walk. Okay, the fish can't walk. It can swim, but it can't walk. Okay, you see, can't you be quiet? The question mark. See, can't. We are questioning something. Can't you be quiet? Can't you write? So now you see the can't. The pronunciation is can't. Pronunciation is can't. The normally we say cannot. It is a called contraction. Contraction. Okay? Can't. So we are dividing this word cannot. Short form. So short form. So short form only we called contraction. Short form only we called contraction. So like this. So can't is a contraction of cannot. Okay. So this is a shortcut form. So we are writing in this way. Okay. Now you see. So this thing. I can't drive a car. No? Can't. I can't drive a car. See, I can't dance. You see, Xavier can't play cricket. So the fish can't walk. So can't you be quiet? So like this. So many words will be there using the can't. Then when the person cannot able to, it is a impossible. Impossible, na? What can you say in Hindi? कुछ नहीं कर सकेगा तो that we say na like this. I can't walk. So like that. So हम लोग के पास क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? That I can do. कुछ कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. We use can't. Okay. So like this. So now you see some example they have given. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Can't you be quiet? I can't. My mouth always speaks. The boy mouth always he speaks. He will be not quiet at any time. So here they have given. So can't means cannot. Now you can see this one. And dear children, now you see. Okay. So please note this down. Okay, this is the definition of can. You can write this one. This one definition. Okay. So using can this one and this is cannot. Okay. So this is I can. This one can possible things. Okay. So many whatever you like you can write. When you come to the school, then I will check it and tell you whether your sentence is correct or not. Okay. You can write your own also. More and more words. Okay. So please do this right. Children, so now they have given some using can't or cannot. Okay, so using can or can't. Okay, so now if you observe the page number 35, if you observe the pictures, they have given some pictures, some action pictures they have given. So what type of actions they are doing? Okay, and either able to do or impossible to do. Okay, you see, say dash kick a ball. See, we can kick a ball. It is doesn't matter to kick the ball. So easily we can kick it. So say can. So say can kick a ball. It is a possible to kick. Okay. Serena dash sing. So she can sing a song. Okay, so it is a possible. It is a possible. So can. So Serena can sing song. Can sing. Okay. The fish dash run. The fish can't run. The fish can swim in the water. Okay. So here what we have to write? Here we have to write can't. The fish can't run. Okay. Now see. The bird dash swim. The bird can fly. The bird can't swim. So here the bird can't swim. The bird can't swim. Correct, na? Now you see number 5. The horse, yes, the horse can jump. It is a possible horse can jump. So we are seeing some in movies. So heroes are jumping like anything, na? So horse can jump. Okay. I can paint. Okay, I can paint. So these are the possible things. Ability to do. So okay, ability to do. You see that this one matches the following. You see the same page number 35 only. They have given the boy is riding a bicycle and there is a Hindu. They have given. You see, see, can I go to the park? Can I go to the park? They have given some match the following. Okay. So now I have written it is a straight matching. I have written. Oh, you straight matching. Can I go to the park? Yes, you can go. So the person it is, can I go to the park? So asking to permission. Okay. Yes, then you can go to park. Can I play cricket? Yes, you can play cricket. Can I drink water? Yes, you can drink water. You have a right to drink water, you drink. Okay. So, can I sing a song? Yes, you can sing a song. You can sing a song. So like this. Okay, like this. Okay, huh? Can we play tennis? Can we play tennis? No, we can't play tennis. Okay, if it is possible, yes, we can play tennis. But when you can't able to do, it is unable to do, impossible to do, we say we can't. नहीं कर सकेगा तो we say we can't. Okay. Can you help me? Question mark. Yes, I can help you. Can you teach me? Yes, I can teach you. So like this, see, can you help me? Yes, I can help you. I can. So help. I can help you. Right? No problem. Okay. So dear children, so everything please note this down and please concentrate on your studies. Okay. Tomorrow from today itself this lesson is going to complete it. Okay. From tomorrow onwards we will start a new lesson. Please do watch these videos. Okay. Thank you so much.